Hello guys, hello everybody. I stayed the whole morning on my bed here at this hostel, Urban Hostel. This is a very nice hostel. I was so tired. I am still tired, but now I'm better. I already took my shower, and now here it's already 1:40 p.m. So the time is flying. This is a very nice hostel. Actually, this is a very nice hostel. Normally, we can think that Belarus doesn't have great places like hotels, but they do have. It's very nice. A lot of things people talk about here, it's not true. Here is a very beautiful country. People are very nice. They're very organized, and of course, comparing here to Brazil, here is safer. So I will take a walk. I will go to a restaurant and try to eat something local. So while I'm walking to the restaurant, it's about one almost 2 kilometers, like 25 minutes, 20 minutes. I will be showing you guys around. You will know the road, the avenues, the streets, the sidewalks. Everything is very big. There's a lot of space. And today is Tuesday, August 5th. No, oh, sorry. Today is Monday. I'm lost in time. So today is Monday, August 15th. And yeah, that's it. I will show you guys here a little bit something I noted. Few people here knows English. Few people. Fortunately, yesterday, or not yesterday, was Saturday I wrote in Couchsurfing app. This is an application for travelers. If you don't know, guys, this application, I recommend you to use this application before traveling to other countries. So basically, I wrote I was coming to here, and then a local girl, she wrote me back, hey, I can show you around, and it was really nice. It was amazing. So when I arrived here yesterday afternoon, I rested a little, and at 6 p.m. she came into my hostel. This is a very famous, popular hostel here in the city, and we walked a lot, and it was so great. It was so nice. Spending time with her, like, it was tremendously good because I could feel the culture. She explained to me a lot of information. She gave me a lot of information about Belarus, which was really nice. And also having someone to take pictures, having someone to laugh with, to make fun with. This is so great. And let me show you guys here this hostel. If I'm not wrong, there are 10 beds in this room. It's interesting because there is air conditioner right there, and all the beds have a letter. So bed letter B, mine is bed letter A, and here under the bed we can put our storage, our things. Here is very nice. This mattress is very comfortable. They give towel for free, which is good. It's not all the hostels that give towel for free. Sometimes we have to pay for it. They have like this lamp, which is great, and they have like the power outlets here. So normally I travel with this cable, and then I can connect all my things, my camera, my cell phone. Something very nice that I like it about this hostel is about these pockets. Like they have like these pockets here on the bed wall. This is very good because we can put our things here. Like I'm putting my power bank, my earphones, and other things I'm putting here, so it's great. Everything is great in this hostel. This is something nice about here. They have like sugar and tea. Who wanna drink tea can drink it for free, I think. Black tea. Yeah. These are the rooms. We have a kitchen here with microwave and all things. WC. And I don't understand anything, everything. This is the bathroom. It's a nice bathroom. There is WC, the shower. And here. There's like a room here where people work and just rest. It's cool. Hello, how are you? Hi. There's like a movie theater. This is the reception we have here, and this is like a kitchen with the maps and everything. The coffee house. Hi, how are you? So let's go out. Today is a very windy day. At least it's great for walking. This is my hostel outside, Urban Hostel. Looks like a great hostel. This is the cafe, the cafeteria.